Hi, this is Kenneth Wong, Senior Editor for Digital Engineering Magazine. Welcome to another episode of DE News Roundup. Glad to have you along. Hope you had a lovely Thanksgiving break with your family. The two biggest names in design and simulation, Autodesk and ANSYS, are getting quite chummy as a result of a partnership announced in September. This became apparent 2 weeks ago during the annual Autodesk University Conference. On day 2, during the product design and manufacturing keynote, Autodesk CEO Andrew Anagnost and ANSYS CEO Ajay Gopal took the stage together to talk about their partnership.
Hey Ajay, so great to see you. Welcome.
It's a pleasure.
Andrew, thank you.
Thank you.
Andrew?
Ajay, welcome.
Thank you for inviting me.
So Ajay, why don't you tell the audience a little bit about ANSYS and what you do?
Of course. Well, for those of you who don't know, ANSYS is the global leader in engineering simulation. We essentially help companies around the world design and develop the most amazing products, from computer chips to rocket ships and frankly everything in between. Using our software, our customers can test their products completely in their computers. Our software will tell them how their products will perform and behave without the need for physical prototypes. This means that they can drive innovation to market faster and they can save cost.
Andrew, you started your career in simulation. Why don't you tell us a little bit about your perspective of the simulation?
So
and where
I am a simulation guy in my core. You know, it used to be that Autodesk was run by a bunch of graphics guys and ladies, mostly guys, and everything looked like a graphics problem. You know, now I'm a simulation guy, and well, frankly, everything looks like a simulation problem to me. And you know, that's not far from the truth. You know, we've been talking to you about enabling you to do things better, to be able to respond to this inevitability of more with less negative impact. You can't do better design. You cannot make better decisions if you do not know how something is going to perform in the real world, how it's going to actually respond physically to the forces, to the thermal effects, to the way it's used. If you can't understand that, you can't make better.
Ajay, what gets you excited about the partnership?
Well, I think it's all about being able to deliver amazing products. I mean, companies today and all of us struggle with trying to make sure that the processes that we operate allow us to deliver the highest quality and the most innovative products. I mean, product development is about connecting the art of design to the science of analysis. And the way you can speed things up, the way you can do more with less, is to short-circuit that design process and to change the way that designers and analysts work together. And through our partnership, by linking our industry-leading products together, we will achieve this. Now, we'll enable our customers to be able to build these seamless workflows that will allow them to develop these next-generation products faster and more efficiently than ever before.
Andrew, how about you?
Well, first off, I'm really excited about just the commercial potential of bringing the power that your portfolio has directly to all of our customers. If you're not familiar with everything ANSYS does, I mean, they've acquired a portfolio that can actually help us understand entire systems and how they perform in various different ways. Getting that kind of capability to all of you is really important and really exciting. But as you know, I'm also really passionate about exposing the next generation of engineers to new ways of thinking and new ways of designing. And I spend a lot of time in educational institutions. I go to lots of different schools and lots of different places. And what do I see? Every time I go there, I see Autodesk, mostly Fusion 360. I see a product I will not mention. And I see ANSYS. And that's what's there. And that means together, if we start helping engineers and students and designers understand what the potential is of designing and simulating together in real time, all the time, we're going to change the way the next generation does things. And that, you know, that's motivating too. The today is incredibly motivating. The tomorrow is equally exciting.
In the initial announcement, the two companies said they plan to make Autodesk Automotive Visualization Program VRAT work well with ANSYS physics-based lighting simulation. During AU, the two announced that there will be tighter integration between Autodesk Fusion 360 and ANSYS Mechanical. The partnership is a boon for many engineering firms with workflows that span from design, creation, and visualization in Autodesk products to running simulation in ANSYS products. There is also some good news, call it an early Christmas present if you will, for those who want to explore generative design. Here is Stephen Hooper, Autodesk VP and GM of Autodesk Fusion product line.
For automation, I've got more good news. We're granting every subscriber free, unlimited use of generative design until the end of this year. So explore what you can do with generative design in your organization.
One of the generative design users highlighted at the show is Airbus. People know AI-driven generative design is quite useful for figuring out the best lightweight geometry or lattice structures. But Airbus' application is somewhat unique. It uses Autodesk generative design technologies to figure out the best factory setup, the most efficient tool placement, technician movement, and installation plans for the wing production. Whereas in geometry optimization, the goal is often a reduction in the part's mass or material. Here, the goal is to reduce the line worker's travel path, congestion, and bottlenecks. Another topic at the show is the rise of automation, spawning both anxiety of job losses and new opportunities. One reasonable approach is to employ intelligent self-navigating robots to perform dangerous jobs that humans are not fit to perform. This example comes from React Robotics, which uses Lenovo workstations and Autodesk Fusion software for the design.
Understand the world and interact with it.
The robot has 12 axes, so 3 axes on each leg. It can walk, it can trot, can go out with sensors on it of various types. It's predominantly 3D printed. We're using Autodesk Fusion 360, so we can very quickly design something, test it, print a new part overnight, and retest that part. It's really important that we work with partners like Lenovo. They share our vision for really taking technology out into the world. We see the capabilities of robots developing rapidly.
It's a really exciting time to be in robotics and artificial intelligence. Things are happening every day which change what is possible, and with partners like Lenovo to help us along the way, who knows what we'll achieve.
Thanks for watching. For more engineering and design related news, please subscribe to our YouTube channel called DE Streaming. Follow us on Twitter. Our handle is DE Editor, and visit our website at Digital Engineering 24/7. That's digitalengineering247.com. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.